Ever have that feeling? You know you've got a great team, you've got a fantastic product, but your growth is just hitting a wall. You're working harder than ever, but everything just feels slow. If any of that sounds familiar, trust me, you are not alone. So let's get into it. Why do great companies get stuck? We're going to tackle that exact question today and explore a really powerful idea: the end of slow software. Now I know, it sounds like a bold claim, but there's a huge shift happening in how businesses get things done, and it's time to get up to speed.
All right, first things first, let's diagnose the problem. We're going to call it the modern growth trap. And it's this really common set of pitfalls that catches even the smartest companies when they're trying to scale up.
So, what does this trap actually look like? Well, for growing businesses, you're constantly fighting with limited resources. Your data quality is, let's be honest, probably a mess, and your systems just can't keep up with your ambition. Then for the bigger companies, the pain just changes shape. Now it's systems that don't talk to each other, big clunky software that you can't personalize, and business needs that change way faster than your rigid systems ever could. It feels like a lose-lose. And here's the bottom line: your most valuable asset, your people. They end up spending all their time and their creative energy just fighting the very systems that are supposed to be helping them. So instead of focusing on customers, on innovation, on growing the business, they're just trapped in this maze of messy sales processes, clunky project management, and data scattered across a million different spreadsheets and chat apps. But what if there was a way to break out of that trap? Well, that brings us right to our next section. Welcome to the no-code era. And this isn't just some small upgrade. It's a complete change in how we think about software. And this picture here perfectly captures the new landscape. A whole new generation of tools has popped up, and they're empowering businesses to build their own software, all without needing an army of professional developers. This is the answer to all those bottlenecks we were just talking about.
And it's not just a nice idea. The data really backs this up. McKinsey found that companies that jump on board with no-code development can boost their innovation by a massive 33%. I mean, that's not a tiny little bump. That's a real strategic advantage that frees up your team to do what you hired them to do: innovate. So, let's move from the big idea to a real, powerful tool that makes this all happen. Let's talk about building without code. And let me introduce you to JODOO.
So what exactly is JODOO? Think of it as an all-in-one platform that gives you everything you need: forms to collect data, workflows to automate processes, databases, and dashboards to see what's going on. The whole idea is simple, but it's totally revolutionary. Let the people who actually use the systems be the ones to build and adapt them.
Let's take a quick look at how it works. Okay, so it all starts with data, right? Instead of waiting weeks for IT, your team can literally build a custom form in minutes. You just drag and drop the fields you need: text, numbers, dates, whatever. It's really that simple. And once you've got your data, you can design workflows just by looking at them. Need an approval process for expenses or a way to assign a new sales lead? You just connect the dots and map out the whole process. No code needed at all. And then, the final piece of the puzzle: actually understanding all that data. You can spin up real-time dashboards, again, with simple drag-and-drop tools. Track your sales pipeline, project progress, inventory levels, whatever you need, with live visual charts. This puts the power of data right into everyone's hands. You know, this really brings us to the central conflict here. It's a battle between two completely different philosophies: agility versus rigidity, the old way versus the new way. On one side, you've got traditional software development. You know the type: those huge, expensive, custom-coded ERP systems that take months, maybe even years to roll out, and they're an absolute nightmare to change. And on the other side, you have a no-code platform like JODOO. Let's really break down the difference. This slide pretty much says it all. The old way has massive barriers to entry. I mean, coding can take up 80% of the project time. It's got really low agility, which makes it painful to adapt when your business needs to change. And it's incredibly tough to maintain. JODOO, on the other hand, no barrier. Its high agility means you can customize apps whenever you want, and it's super easy to maintain, even for people who aren't in IT. And this quote right here, this is the real game changer. A swift iteration takes only a few hours. Just think about that for a second. Instead of a 6-month project just to change one field in your system, you can adapt your software to a new business process in a single afternoon. That's the power of agility. Okay, so we've talked a lot about the how, but what's the real impact? What does all this actually mean for your people? Well, it's all about unlocking your team's potential. The numbers here are just staggering. According to folks like Gartner and McKinsey, applications built with these new tools are finished at least 5 times faster than with the old methods. 5 times faster.
And this isn't some tiny niche trend either. It is blowing up. By 2025, experts predict that an incredible 70% of all new applications built by large companies will be on low-code or no-code platforms. The shift is already happening right now.
And this one is my favorite. By 2026, the number of active citizen developers inside big companies will be at least 4 times the number of professional developers. See, this isn't about replacing developers, it's about creating a whole new class of builders.
So who are these citizen developers? Well, they're the people on the front lines. Your marketing managers, your operations specialists, your project leads. They're the ones who are now empowered to build the tools they need to do their jobs better, all without having to write a single line of code.
All of this really leads to one very clear conclusion. We are moving towards a future that is, above everything else, adaptable. Because rigidity is the enemy of growth.
So here's the main takeaway. Your software shouldn't be some rigid cage that forces your business into these predefined boxes. No, it should be a living, breathing partner that evolves right alongside your company. As your needs change, as you move into new markets, as you launch new products.
And so, I'm going to leave you with this one last question to really think about. Take a look at your own company, at the tools you and your team use every single day. Are you constantly fighting them, creating endless workarounds, or are they actually empowering you? Because the choice is becoming clearer than it's ever been. Should your business adapt to your software, or should your software adapt to your business?